Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are still trying out and learning the ways of filming, so any feedback is much appreciated. So let's get back to our topic. Today we are going to make 3 types of pizzas. The first one will be with pepperoni, and the second is with 4 types of mushrooms, and the last one will be with 4 types of cheese. So we start with the dough because it needs time to rise for about 30 to 40 minutes in a warm place. The dough consists of flour, salt, sugar, rosemary, yeast, olive oil, and water. While the dough rests, we can start preparing the ingredients. We slice all the ingredients. The shape and thickness is up to you. The garlic and the fine diced onion is for our sauce, along with chopped tomatoes, basil, salt, and ground pepper. When everything is done, we start building our pizzas. The first one is a classic with pepperoni, bacon, peppers, onion rings, sweet corn, mozzarella, and last some parmesan. In the second one, we use some awesome wild mushrooms: porcini, saffron milkcap, wood blewits, and champignon. When cooking wild mushrooms, besides porcini, which you can eat raw, always boil them for at least 30 minutes to render the natural toxins. The third one is a classic quattro formaggi. We will use mozzarella, gorgonzola, aged cheddar, and some brie, topped with parmesan. By the way, you can make a pizza with whatever you have in the fridge, so we make another one our style with all the ingredients that we used so far. Check it out. If you enjoyed our video, give us a thumbs up, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment below.